All right, today we've got something brand new on the table, the Gamma Plus Xceed foil shaver. And let me tell you right now, this thing is making some noise. And I don't just mean the motor. In this video, we're going to break it all down. First, we'll check out the sound. Is it loud? Is it smooth? I'll let you hear it for yourself. Then we're popping the box open. I'll show you everything that comes with it, straight out of the package. Next up, specs. We're talking motor speed, battery life, weight, foils, all the stuff that actually matters when you're behind the chair. And of course, we're going to see what this thing can really do. I'll demo it, show you how it handles balding out, blending, finishing the works. So if you're thinking about adding this to your lineup or just want to see what Gamma Plus cooked up this time, stick around. Let's get into it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now let's have a look at the Gamma Xceed foil and the specs. The ITC system with intuitive torque control automatically adjusts between 8,500 and 11,500 RPM, adapting seamlessly to resistance for smooth, precise cutting. Featuring an ultra-thin, hypoallergenic gold titanium foil and a crunchy cutting blade for a flawless finish with zero irritation. Its all-aluminium body reduces vibration and noise, giving you control and comfort. With a rechargeable battery offering over 2 hours of runtime and 3 LED indicators to keep you powered and ready. Recharge fast, whether on the stylish X-shaped charging base or through USB Type-C. Personalize your setup with a full range of custom accessories to make it uniquely yours. The ITC system is engineered for power, precision, and perfection. Now let's see how loud this is with the noise decibel meter. So what's my final thoughts? If you're a professional barber after top-tier performance, this shaver is definitely worth a look. But at the price point of $209, is it worth it? I would say yes, it is. And this is why I think so. It kicks things off with a seriously powerful motor. It idles at about 8,500 RPM and ramps up to a full 11,500 RPM with its electronically controlled new IN Vector motor. As far as I'm aware, it's the first of its kind in the foil shavers. The build lives up to that performance. You've got a full aluminium housing which helps vibration and noise, and it is lightweight. For those with sensitive skin, it's packed with features, the ultra-thin hypoallergenic gold titanium foils, plus crunchy stainless steel blades for a clean, crisp cut without irritating. You're looking at around 2 hours cordless runtime, and it includes USB-C charging and a cool X-shaped charging dock, which is great for convenience. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in any of the products I use from Stylecraft or Gamma, you can head over to stylecraftus.com or gammaplusna.com and use my discount code RUSTY15.